Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, November 1st, and today we're going to be talking about the most common things we find on pest inspections, also known as pest reports, WDO reports, which stands for wood destroying organisms, or termite inspection. So today we have Victor Rodriguez with us. He's our lead inspector, and we're going to be talking about these common things. All right, Victor, so let's start from the outside. Let's cover some of the items that we commonly find in the exterior of the home as we walk around the outside.
So typically we're going to find a few different things on homes, especially if they're an older home. The most common things are going to be things like rot or fungus on the siding, the fascia, the wood trim around the windows. Basically any wood member on the home can be prone to fungus or rot. We see water damage a lot of the time as well that leads to rot and fungus. We also sometimes will see faulty grade where there's earth to wood contact and things like that, which is all conducive to a termite infestation. Mario, anything to add?
Yeah.
No, you pretty much hit the main points there. We're just talking about, we're not going too much into depth about every single specific thing. We're just being superficial about
Bullet
this.
points.
Yeah, and then we'll move to the inside of the house. All right, Victor, so let us know what are some of the most common things that we actually find inside the home when we're doing the inspections.
So once we move into the home, a lot of the time what we'll find inside the home is going to be usually leaks in the plumbing areas or water damage in those areas as well. We also will see sometimes fungus in the bathrooms or bedrooms if there's not very good ventilation. We'll also see we just did an inspection last week, and the shower pan silicone was bad, which was causing a leak. So little things like that go unnoticed can lead to long-term damage, and it could also lead to infestation of a wood destroying organism.
All right. So those are some of the most common things. Let's move on to the exterior of the home now. All right, let's move on to the sub area. Now this is underneath the homes, also known as crawl spaces. These are areas where you're typically going to find something underneath the home. So why don't we just talk about that for a little bit?
So usually underneath the house is where we're going to find the majority of the damage and things like that. And really you're going to get pretty much everything underneath the home, from subterranean termites to drywood termites to fungus and rot, primarily around plumbing areas where there's leaks through the plumbing, where the plumbing comes through the flooring. We're also going to get things that are like not up to code or like improper pier and posts, cellulose debris underneath the home, which is basically termite food or wood destroying organism food. You got anything else to add?
Yeah, there's a lot of on-scene things in the crawl space, so it's good to have someone actually go down there and crawl and actually inspect the wood members, check the integrity of the wood, and try to address problems before they become, a big deal to the point where it's going to cost you thousands and thousands of dollars, whether it's been caused by termites or dry rot or any wood destroying organism. That's why we go down there, do an inspection. We're thorough. And from there, we make the proper recommendations to fix the issue, to prevent further damage, and also to ensure that your home is safe. So if you guys have any problems with termites, or if you just simply want a inspection to see what's going on around the house, give us a call at Radix Pest Control, and have a good day.